Hello everyone, welcome to another origami demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool origami model designed by Jeremy Shafer. Check it out. It is the Venus Flytrap, and this is how it works. So you pull these two handles, and it opens up just like that. How awesome is that? And this is a really cool model. And this is actually one of my favorite ones I've ever made. And yeah, and its tutorial for it is right here and in the description. And I folded this model from a 14-inch square of kami. And this is the result. And he also published it in his first origami book, Origami to Astonish and Amuse. And it is on page 87. And so yeah, and that's pretty much it for this video. Well, hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you liked it, give it a like, and let me know in the comments below of what you think about it. Alright, so make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys with another tutorial out soon. Alright, bye bye.